Let's talk about the work you do, your professional work. You are a real estate broker, a mortgage loan originator.
I was intrigued by it because I started in this profession on a part-time basis. But the benefits from being a real estate salesperson, apart from the financial aspect of it, but to make someone into a homeowner, to see the delight that it brings to them, to see the change that you have. I have worked with people who are first-time home buyers and the first one in their family to be a homeowner. And to make this transition, it's really delightful to see and to know that you're a part of it. The day you hand that key to them, to know that you are breaking a generational thing, it's really fulfilling. And the another aspect of it is to provide the financing for these people. I saw where there was a shortfall and where I could come in and fill the gap. And in pursuit of advancing myself educationally and in this field, I took on to become a mortgage loan. First, I was a broker in Florida, but the market crash in 2008, I gave up my license in Florida. Then in 2019, I saw the need to get back into that business. So I became a mortgage loan originator.
Yeah, so I can relate to your experience there with assisting others to find a home that is suitable and accommodate their standards and their needs. So I can certainly relate to that, and I can see how that can fulfill a purpose, and a significant one of that, because we know with shelter and safety and all those things are all very important. Let's talk about you in terms of living on purpose. There's a notion that you're living on purpose or you're aligned with your purpose.
Whatever your purpose is, if you get fulfillment out of it, like some people would say, you can't wait to get out of bed to get to the office or to get to where, or to put your hands on what you're doing. If you find that fulfillment and you find that enrichment in it, then that becomes your purpose. You enjoy it. If it is not for financial gain, if it has its rewards, then it's a plus. But if you give more service than you are paid for, then I believe you're advancing in the right direction.
Okay, so there's a money component in what we do. But when you find that it's less about the money and more about the work, I think that's what you're saying?
Yes. I give you a case in point. I am assisting a young lady now in a purchase. It's a co-op. It's really underpriced, but this is her budget. This is what she can get. It's hard for me to get support on the higher level in this pursuit because there's no financial reward in it. And the labor that you have to put in is really, really demanding. But this is one of the cases I just referred to. You're breaking a generational thing, and she is very progressive and you're just looking for help. I remember my father used to say, if you see a man climbing a coconut tree and he goes up and he slips down, he tries again, he goes up and he slips down. He said, go give him a hand, give him a push. So this is my pursuit. Somebody is trying to break a generational thing, and my input, there is no reward financially in this. The amount of work, the amount of hours that I have to put in to make this possible. But it is so self-rewarding.
So self-rewarding, yeah.